What's up, team? So I tried my girlfriend's workout for 2 weeks because I was talking crap. I was like, I'll dominate your workout. That stuff is easy. Like, let's go. Let's push it a little bit. And she was like, okay, do it then. I was like, all right, let's get it. So day one, it's leg day. I'm like, okay, I bet this is going to be hard because women like to work their legs. They like those booty gains and they go completely aggressive on them. And I'm in there. I'm doing like 5 sets of reverse lunges, 20 reps. 16 reps, 10 reps each leg. Then I have hip thrust, 5 sets of hip thrust, supersetted with squats or something. I don't know, but my legs were on fire. Who does this many hip thrusts? I don't know. I don't like it, but I had to do it. It was challenging, and I like that. But anyways, I got through it. My legs were completely fatigued, super tired. I realized I got to hit legs harder because that was hard. Day 2, I'm running a 5K. Legs are super sore, great. I usually run 5Ks all the time. And now I'm like, this will be simple. It's a 5K. Come on, that's 28 minutes max, 25 minutes. We got this. But I realize my legs are super heavy. I'm super sore. My glutes are tired. I don't know what to do. I'm trying to push through it. I'm not going to let my girlfriend know that this is completely brutal and this workout's actually super hard already on day 2. But it's day 3 and it's chest and back day. And chest back day, this is what I do. Upper body, arms, let's go. This is going to be easy. I'll crush this workout. It's like a rest day probably. I go in there. I got 5 sets on the bench press at 20 reps, 16 reps. Again, this high rep, pyramid down to low rep. I finish with 5 reps. And the reason this is so challenging, I'm pushing myself. I'm using whatever weight I can use to get 16 reps. I'm not able to get 17 reps. I'm using whatever weight that I can use for 12 reps, not 13. I can't get 13. I can't push out a 13th rep. And when I'm down to 5, guess what? I can get 5 reps, 4 reps, probably not 6, probably not 7. That's pushing yourself. If you're able to get that 5th rep or that 16th rep super easy, it's probably not challenging you enough. You need to up the weight. So that's what I'm saying when I'm telling you I'm pushing it. And then we go to back and I got these single arm rows and I have 40 reps, 20 reps. It's crazy. The volume was actually insane and I couldn't believe it. And then I have some other exercises like incline bench, barbell row, push-ups, triceps, a whole bunch of different exercises. And actually, by the end of the workout, I could barely finish. My chest is swollen. My back is super pumped. I'm loving that. But I just couldn't believe that I could barely finish this workout. Newfound respect for the wifey. Day 4, I'm back on a run. It's a 5K. My legs are actually starting to recover now, so this one's a breeze. I got this one. Let's go. Day 5 is ab day. So I'm like, oh, we're just doing abs today? Who just does abs? So we're going as many rounds as possible for 7 minutes. 4 exercises. Once that 7 minutes is up, we have a 1-minute break, and then we're going another 7 minutes with 4 different exercises. We complete both of those circuits twice for a total of 28 minutes of work and about 4 to 5 minutes of rest. So I thought this was going to be easy. I'm like, okay, this can't be that hard. I get through the first 7 minutes and I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta do this again. Then the second 7 minutes, I'm like, okay, I'm fried. Round 3, let's get it. I'm gonna do what I can. I finish it, but I can't even complete the exercise. I can't even complete the 28 minutes. I have set 4, and I can't finish it. I'm like, I'm just laying there. I don't know if you've ever had like an ab cramp, but I thought I was going to get an ab cramp, and I was just laying there. I was trying to do the V-ups. I was trying to do the, I don't even know, Russian twist maybe. Some flutter kicks or whatever the exercises were. I was trying to do them. It just wasn't happening for me. So I had to wrap it up. I just clap for myself, act like I'm doing something good, but that workout dominated me. Still, I'm not telling wifey this. I'm not telling my fiance that this workout's workout's destroying me. Sorry, I'm getting a little sidetracked. My buddy wants to say what's up. What's up? Say what's up, buddy. This is Hudson. He's 12 weeks. Oh, look, you did good. Where was I? Yeah, so this workout's starting to dominate me. Day 6, I had to do another 5K, which was okay, but Now I'm running 3 times a week with my strength training. This is different for me. I'm used to 2 times running. So I'm getting tired. It's all good. Day 7's a rest day. And I'm like, thank the Lord. Jeez. But the reason I'm telling you all of this, my intention for this video is to show you that we get comfortable in the gym and we don't challenge ourselves enough. By switching up our routine, it can completely change our body. I lost 5 pounds in this process and I was eating like a horse. I was crushing food. But guess what? I started burning more calories. I started pushing my body differently. Maybe recruiting more muscle fibers because I'm doing different exercises that my body's not used to. So we have to change it up sometimes. Maybe sometimes go high rep, sometimes go low rep, mid rep, whatever you want to do. But listen, it doesn't matter as long as you're pushing it. If you're on 16 reps, as long as you're pushing it, you're burning your muscles out by that 16th rep, you're getting something out of it. You're not only challenging your body, you're challenging your mind. You're uncomfortable in the gym. You're looking stupid. I was in the gym looking hilarious because I got these bands on my legs, I'm squatting, I'm hip thrusting. Joey, what are you doing today? That's not your typical workout. It's all good, bro. I'm just trying to do my girlfriend's workout, and guess what? I'm loving it because it's crushing me. And now I tell her that. I'm like, your workouts crushed me. I respect what you do now. Maybe you should train me. Maybe you should tell me what to do. And also, she was telling me, she's like, maybe you should keep doing my workout because your body is looking amazing. I'm loving it. I was like, nah, I got 100 pull-ups to do every day for 30 days, so I'm going to skip that. Whatever. It is what it is. Say what you want. Her workouts were brutal. I'm back to doing my, that bro split with a lot of chest, a lot of arms, a lot of back. Little bit of legs here and there. You know how that goes. My legs are naturally big. That's my excuse. Hold me accountable. Comment down below that I need to hit legs every week hard. Don't let me skip those. Or abs. Clearly I need to hit my abs harder because they fatigued after 1 round. Another thing that I realized was super beneficial about having this structured workout every day. I didn't have to think about what I was going to do in the gym. I just did what it said. That pushed me too. I didn't have to think about what was next. I didn't jump from this exercise to this exercise. I did this and I moved on. Now we got this superset. Let's move on. A superset is where you do 2 exercises back to back without rest. So if it's a chest tri day, maybe you hit incline bench press with some bench dips or some cable flies and some tricep extensions. I really wanted to do this to show people that if you change it up, you'll hit your body different. If you change it up, your body will respond. You'll get different results. You'll feel the things that you've been neglecting. Obviously, I was neglecting my legs, my glutes. I was neglecting the abs. Sometimes we stop doing the hard stuff in the gym. Now, I still push myself usually. I still push myself, but I get comfortable and I do the things that I'm comfortable doing. I don't feel like picking up a barbell, putting a bunch of weights on it, and then doing the hip thrust. It's an uncomfortable exercise, but it's a good one. The deadlift, it's a good one. Oh, you only leg press, bro, because you're scared to hurt your back? You don't want to squat? Why? Oh, it's hard. It's difficult. You have to look weak when you do it. We leave the ego out the door. If you can only squat 135 pounds or 95 pounds, the barbell with good form, the barbell is 45 pounds. Do that until you have proper technique. Until you have the full range of motion so that you activate your hips, that you open up your hips, that you have the mobility so that you don't get back pain, knee pain, hip pain, whatever pain. Just get the technique, get the form, and then add some weight. Even if it's difficult, even if you look stupid in the gym, even if you feel uncomfortable. But the last thing you want to do is put a lot of weight on the bar and then squat like a half rep. Your knees are caving in. Your back is super rounded or arched. You look weaker doing that. So do some challenging exercises even if they make you look weak. These exercises will change your life. And I'm going to incorporate a lot of things that I learned from her workout program into my own. Then the next thing I'm doing is this 100 pull-ups a day for 30 days. to see where that takes me, and I will be giving you a video on that soon. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, my name is Joey, and I'm just here to ignite your passion. This is the Wellness and Such channel. Hit that subscribe button for me. Peace and one love, always.